So today we are going to start a very new chapter, that is chapter number 4, houses all around. So when we used to see in our surrounding, we used to see many different types of houses, right? So when you will see around your locality, see, you will find out flat roofed houses and also sloping roof houses. See the red colored tiled house, right? That is having sloping roof, right? So in your locality mainly you will find out the flat roof house. Now when you will go towards your villages, right, you will able to see the houses made up of mud, and those are known as mud houses. Now see, on the basis of this, right, the houses are mainly divided into two: temporary house and permanent house. So the temporary houses are those houses which we used to use during our vacations, right? For example, when we will go to towards the polar region, or so suppose in Manali, right, where we will live, where we will build or we will live in tents, right? So those houses we are using for vacation purpose, or second for hunting purpose, right? So in our early days, right, early ages, like the early humans use many types of houses, right? When they used to move from one place to another, they use temporary house. For example, igloo. So the igloo is also made in temporary basis. Now see, what are the different types of temporary houses? First is tent. We have discussed about tent, right? We mainly use it for vacation purpose. The next is tepi. Now what is tepi? It just looks like tent, but it is made up of animal skin or else trees bark. The next is caravan. We are very familiar with the caravan. It is the house on wheel, just like ambulance, right? A long van having all the facilities of the houses, right? It is caravan. Now fourth one is houseboat. Now when you will go towards the southern region, like in Kerala, right? When you will go for vacation purpose only, you will see many beautiful houseboats made up of wood on the boats, right? And they are also having all the facilities. The next one is igloo. It is dome-shaped house, right? Semicircular and made up of ice. Now let's come towards the permanent house. Now when we will talk about permanent house, first we have mud houses. So in villages, right, the mud houses are mainly present, made up of mud, bamboo, straws, etc. Then next is flat roof house. So the flat roof houses are having flat terrace, right? And we all know the long buildings, the small houses, very beautiful bungalows, all are flat roof houses. The next is sloping roof house. Now the sloping roof houses are having slope surfaces on the top of it. Now why? In the region where there is high rainfall or where there is high snowfall, right? There we have sloping roof houses. Now next we have houses on stilts. Now what is stilts? The houses in flood or cyclone prone areas, those houses are built on very long wooden blocks, right, to raise the ground, right? So the houses are built on the wooden blocks. Now the water used to flow from down. Understood? Now next we have wooden houses. Now the wooden houses are mainly present in earthquake prone areas, and also developed countries also have such as America, right, Europe, they also have the wooden houses just to make the house very beautiful. So this is all about the houses. Now let's discuss a very important question, that is why houses are important for us. Now the first very importance is for our safety. Safety from animals, thieves, like very harsh weather condition, right? Insects like mosquitoes and the insects which are coming in rainy days, right? And also from dust. Then the next is to live in. As we all know that we need food, water, similarly, right, for our survival. So similarly, we also require shelter to live in. That is also required for our better survival. So let's discuss the second question, that is, what are the factors that determine the types of houses to be built? Now, we have seen many different types of houses on the basis of temporary house and permanent house. Now, what are the factors, the reason behind the different types of houses we will discuss? So, what are the factors? First is climate. So, when the climate is different, right, the type of houses also differs. So, in hot region, right, how it is divided? In hot region, in cold region, and in hot and damp region. For example, what is this kind of place where the rainfall is very high, right? The next is building material, right? So, what are the things, the materials which are required to build the house according to the climate? It is also required. Now see, when we want to make kacha house, at that time, what we require? Mud, right? Bamboo, palm, straws, different kinds of wood also we used to make, use, right? Then, for pakka house, we use many things like cement, bricks, stones, right? Glass, iron. So, these are the things which are interrelated. So, according to the climate, the building material is also required. We will see the climate, then only we will make or we will arrange the materials to build the houses. The next is the budget. Now, what is budget? It is the plan, right? The plan for making the house with available money. So, how much money we are having, right? We will plan accordingly which kind of material we will use in which kind of climate. Understood? So, these are the three factors which determines the types of